Captain, you'll do it. By the bursting sons of Bantown, Mr. Fibuli! Where are my crystals?
Oh. Doctor, where are we?
We're on the bridge.
The bridge? What's that?
That's your beloved captain.
But I...
Don't make any noise. The Mentiads are on the way here, and he's got no power against their psychic strength.
What's that machine he's...
Oh, it looks like a psychic interference transmitter.
A what?
Well, it's a sort of machine for neutralizing psychic power.
Wag your tongue well, Doctor. It is the only weapon you have left.
Nonsense, Captain, nonsense. To make that machine work, you'd need a collection of the most rare crystals.
Yeah?
Oh, yes. Woolium.
Woolium.
Madronite 1-5. And as far as I know, they're currently naturally on one planet, and that's
Captain, the crystals from...
Calufrax. My biorhythms must be at an all-time low.
Excellent, Mr. Fibuli, excellent. You see, Doctor, your friends are doomed.
They are.
And so are you. We need not delay your death any longer. By the curled fangs of the Sky Demon, I have looked forward to this moment.
You hideous murdering maniac!
Don't.
Avatron, kill.
Come back, K-9, come back! Come on. Stop them! Stop them!
What's this place?
Never mind about that. Let's find another way out. Get back! Look at that.
Master,
You're a good dog, K-9. A good dog? You're a hero.
congratulations are unnecessary, Master.
Isn't that marvelous?
Well, it's certainly a relief, but how are we going to get out of here?
I've got a job for you two.